All right. So we talked in the other videos about how to outline, and then we did our intro paragraph together, and then we did our conclusion paragraph together. And here is a tutorial for writing your body paragraph. And you'll see it is so much easier because you made a legit outline. So I am going to show you. Here is my outline just for point 1. Okay, so I just pulled it out of the outline that I showed you last time. But here's my topic sentence, okay, and my topic sentence is the first sentence of my paragraph. So I just copied it and I put it here, okay? This is where I'm going to write my body paragraph. And you can totally have this in with your completed rough draft. I mean, you can be building it as you go instead of in pieces like I have it here, but this is just really to show you how we do this. Okay, so now you can see my first point here is new friends. So I'm going to spend some time talking about my new friends, specifically my roommates that I made in college. And then I'm going to move to talk about the new experiences that we did together, specifically welcome week and things that we did there. And then I'm going to end it by copying this transition sentence that I already wrote, and I'm going to put it as my last sentence in my paragraph, okay? So you can see I've already done some of my writing for my first body paragraph. So again, the advantage of really good outlining. Okay, and remember, your outline is a plan. So if you start writing and you feel kind of like you're going in a different direction than is on your outline, that's okay, as long as what you talk about is what you said you were going to talk about in your thesis statement, right? That is super important. Okay, so my topic sentence here at Baylor, positive new experiences were everywhere and I loved every minute of it. And then I'm talking about my roommates. And I went ahead and typed this up for you so you wouldn't have to hear me clicking on the keyboard. So I'm just going to read it to you. When I walked into my room at Collins Hall for the first time, I saw a slim blonde from San Diego in a trucker hat. And I really remember with this narrative writing assignment, you want to use very descriptive writing. Show us, okay, with your words, what you saw, what you smelled, what you felt, right? Use those 5 senses as you're writing to create a picture in the mind of the reader, okay? I could have told you, I saw my roommate Amanda, but you don't know what Amanda looks like, and you don't know what she sounds like or anything about her, right? So I have to paint a picture for you of what she looks like. She introduced herself as Amanda and gave me a big hug, and from that moment I knew we were going to be good friends. We had a special room with 3 beds instead of 2, and our other roommate Devin, a black-eyed, black-haired country girl from a small town in Texas, made our threesome complete. The first night after our parents left, Amanda drove us all to Whataburger in her lifted Tahoe. Despite her Cali roots, her family is from Texas, at 11 p.m. just because she could. Her parents had given her a 10 o'clock curfew her whole senior year, and she was enjoying the freedom of new independence. Together, the 3 of us went to several events together during Welcome Week, the 3 days on campus for freshmen before school starts. We met other girls on our hall. We recruited some guy friends to go to a freshman hoedown with us where we two-stepped and drank Dr. Pepper floats until our 12 a.m. dorm curfew. At the end of Welcome Week, we were excited to start classes and continue building new relationships. When I started college, here's my transition sentence that I already wrote. I met so many new people and had so many new experiences that I was caught up in the newness and focused on new things instead of missing what I left in Lubbock. Okay, so my next point, remember, is about the things that I left behind and how I didn't focus on those, which is a picture of how I do everything. Okay, so that is how you write your body paragraph. Remember, have lots of details. Remember, follow the plan unless you want to change the plan, which case you make sure you're still lined up with your thesis. Like I could have changed some things in here, some details, without changing my main point here is that I had a lot of new experiences and I really enjoyed it. So anyway, great luck. Let me know if you have, good luck. Let me know if you have any questions as you write your essay.